sila, mga cleaners. Guys, kung gusto niyo po magpa-book, mag-book na po kayo sa Andale. Ayan po. Ayan po mga masisipag na workers. Grabe guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Smart Age. Ayan. Kasama ko ang Team Andale. Naglilinis po kami sa office ni Sir Jason. Ayan po yung mga sulok-sulok. Nililinisan po yan. Kitang-kita po. Kung nila po nasan yung mga ila-ilalim.
Hi everyone! Nga pala ako si Jason Libatis, Executive Assistant ng Smart Age Solution. Anyways, I'm the one who booked cleaning service or the post-construction cleaning service, which is the Andale service. Arinipor sa akin na isa kong colleague, which is si Miss Ann. So this is our showroom kung saan ito yung gagawin namin for our prestigious client. So, napag-isipan ng boss namin to clean this up. Then, and of course, because of our friend, Miss Andy, for this kind of service, which is the Andale. So, I think we are lucky na mapoprovide ni Andale yung ganitong linis ng service. And I think ganitong kalaking showroom, hopefully, masatisfied din kami. So I think Andale has the capability to do that. Then also, this showroom will also showcasing our products and services, which is our Smart Age, which is the company serves for the home automation and elevating the life experience of every Filipino. So currently, they are cleaning now our showroom. These are their staff. So I think they are very industrious and very dedicated employees. So I think they are doing their job well and very nice, and also napakababait din ng mga staff nila. Very approachable, especially nakikinig sila kung ano yung mga directives na ibibigay namin sa kanila. So this is our master bedroom, and of course, showcasing talaga yung services ni Smart Age. And of course, hindi ko na kayo itutour kasi I think meron na din namang marketing team namin na
ito walang lilisin ng mga stock. Medyo mahaba-haba pa, pero ayun, marami naman yung time. Tsaka kung gusto niyo mag-book, book na kayo sa Andale. Marami rin pala yung space nila dito.
yung top.
Yung top sa City Hall, sa government dito. Pag may church ka kasi may tax yun.
Ay, di ba wala nito accurate? Oh? 92. Basta talaga? Sobrang accurate talaga. Kasi nga, bago siya mag-test,